Standard first, subject maths. Hello students. Today we are going to learn about the topic addition. In this topic, today we are going to learn about natural numbers and order of the numbers. First, understand what is basic counting. Look at these cars. If I ask you to count them, how you start counting? Well, you start counting from number 1 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly, look at these footballs. Let me again ask you to count them. You again start from number 1 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From these two examples, you learn that we start counting from number 1. Let me repeat. We start basic counting from number 1. And we call all these numbers as natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on are all natural numbers because we use them for basic counting. Remember, every natural numbers are one more than the previous number. Let us see some examples. Suppose you have 1 apple. How many more apples you will pick up to make it 2? Think and tell me. Yes, you will pick up 1 more apple. So, 1 plus 1 makes 2. It means 1 apple plus 1 more apple makes 2 apples. Geeta had 2 pencils and Neeta had 3 pencils. How many more pencils does Geeta need to make 3 pencils? Think and tell me. Right. So Geeta need 1 more pencil to make it 3. So 2 plus 1 makes 3. It means 2 pencils plus 1 more pencil makes 3 pencils. Anita had 3 flowers. How many more flowers she will pick up to make 4 flowers? Think and tell me. Yes, she will pick up 1 more flower to make 4 flowers. So, 3 plus 1 makes 4. 3 flowers plus 1 more flower makes 4 flowers. In a basket, there are 4 oranges. How many more oranges I will put in basket to make it 5? So tell me, how many more I will take to make 5? Yes, right. I will put one more orange in basket. So 4 plus 1 makes 5. 4 oranges plus 1 more orange makes 5 oranges. Suppose you have 5 erasers. How many more erasers you will pick up to make it 6? Think how many more you will pick up. Right, you will pick up one more eraser. So 5 plus 1 makes 6. It means 5 erasers plus 1 more eraser makes 6 erasers. Riya had 6 dolls and Preeti had 7 dolls. How many more dolls does Riya need to make it 7? So think how many more dolls Riya need? Yes, right. Riya need one more doll to make it 7. So 6 plus 1 makes 7. It means 6 dolls plus 1 more doll makes 7 dolls. In a basket, there are 7 tomatoes. How many more tomatoes I will put in basket to make it 8? So can you tell me how many more I will put in basket? Yes, I will put one more tomato in basket. So 7 plus 1 makes 8. It means 7 tomatoes plus 1 more tomato makes 8 tomatoes. In a fish tank, there are 8 fishes. How many more fish I will put in fish tank to make it 9? Can you tell me how many more fish I will put in fish tank? Yes, you are right. I will put one more fish in fish tank. So 8 plus 1 makes 9. It means 8 fishes plus 1 more fish makes 9 fishes. Salma had 9 chocolates. How many more chocolates she will pick up to make 10 chocolates? So think and tell me how many more she will pick up to make 10 chocolates? Yes, right. She will pick up one more chocolate. So 9 plus 1 makes 10. It means 9 chocolates plus one more chocolate makes 10 chocolates. Why 0 is not a natural number? Look at these roses. Let me again ask you to count them. If you start counting these roses as 0, 1, 2 and 3, we all know that this is the wrong method of counting. We do not start counting from 0. We start counting from 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 roses, not 3 roses. From this example, we learned that we do not need a huge 0 for basic counting. One thing you have to remember that the sum of two numbers means answer of two numbers remains the same even if their order change. For understanding this, let's see some examples. It is a beautiful sunny day. Look, there are frogs sitting on the yellow and orange stones in the pond. There are 2 frogs on the yellow stones. There are 3 frogs on the orange stones. How many frogs are there altogether? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Look, the frogs jump and change their positions. Now there are 3 frogs on the yellow stones and 2 frogs on the orange stones. How many frogs are there in all? 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, what did we learn? Even if the order of numbers changed, the sum remains same. That is, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Let us try it one more time. There are 3 frogs on the yellow stones. There is 1 frog on the orange stone. How many frogs are there in all? 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Look, the frogs jump and change their positions again. Now, there is 1 frog on the yellow stone and 3 frogs on the orange stones. How many frogs are there in all? 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Thus, we learn the sum of two numbers remains the same even if their order changed. That is, 3 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 3. Here is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 1 is equal to what? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now let's change order of numbers 5 and 1. Here is 1. Here is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we see again that order does not matter. 5 plus 1 is same thing as 1 plus 5. They both equal to 6. We have numbers 2 and 8. Here 2, 1, 2 and here 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 8 is 10. Since you know order does not matter, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Here 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 2, 1, 2 and together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So what we learned that even if order changed, the sum remains same. So today we have learned the numbers that are used for counting are called natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. The first and the smallest natural number is 1. 0 is not a natural number. The sum means answer of two numbers remains the same even if their order changed. I hope you understood this lesson properly. And now it's homework time. Solve question number 1. Fill in the blanks with correct answers. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.